Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping. I've been meaning to do some small blacksmithing projects for a while, but to do that you need a forge. I didn't have one, so I made one. I have a hand-powered blower, a disposable barbecue, equal amounts of sand and plaster, a washing machine hose and some pipe. So to begin with, we'll just empty the disposable barbecue. We'll keep the fuel to one side because we'll be using that later on. And then we simply use the tray to form our fire bowl. So we mix our sand and our plaster that are measured equally by volume until they're thoroughly mixed and it's of uniform colour. Once you're happy with the colour, simply add water and mix again until you get to the consistency you want the paste to be. Add that to our tin foil tray from before and then form the fire bowl. The barbecue blower that I've got comes with a detachable steel pipe at the front that's about 3 inches long, and I've wrapped that in cling film and put it through the side of the tray here, and that will form the opening for our air supply. I'm not wearing gloves because I'm only doing this for a few minutes and I wash my hands straight away afterwards, but if you've got children giving you a hand doing this, or if you've got any sort of skin conditions, you might want to consider wearing gloves. When forming the hole for the air supply, by wrapping the piece of pipe in cling film, it ensured that the clay didn't set to it and I was able to remove it quite easily. And then simply pull the cling film out afterwards. So here we are the next day, and our fire bowl is set. For the air supply, I simply taped a waste hose from a washing machine to a piece of steel tubing that I had lying about. This was so that when I was turning the handle on the blower, I wouldn't be vibrating the whole forge. Also made it a lot safer as well, because it gives me a bit more distance from the fire. You can see with this washing machine hose that it's a very nice fit to the barbecue blower. To test if the forge was actually adequate to heat metal up, I've put this old Allen key in there, and we'll give that a few minutes and see what the result is. That's a nice cherry red colour. So I'm going to call that a success. Now I did have this electric pump from an air mattress, so I decided to give this a go as well and see what it was like. And it turns out it's pretty awesome. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I'll definitely do it again, I think, on a larger scale. And in conclusion, I think it's safe to say that the hand-powered blower definitely worked, but the electric compressor is much more efficient. So I'm going to do that, I think. That would double the price of this if you were to buy these things to make it yourselves, because these pumps, they go for about £4 or £5, and the barbecue tray and blower, hand blower, only cost me £4. So I'd be really interested to hear what your feedback is, guys, so please leave any comments you got below. Please consider subscribing, like if you liked, leave your comments below. Take care.